Okay, Carlton. We'll talk.
Oh, savage. Now I get it. I was just leaving. Your turn.
What you doing here?
The question is, what him I do here? Angie, let me tell you something. You see the other night. Hold on. I share us a shoe me.
Miss, if you keep your voice down, tone you around the sun.
Hold on. And this is the same thing me I talk about, you know. You try to talk to me like you think me a boy, you shh me. And as a matter of fact, the other night, you think me a fool? Me know how woman stay, you know. You call me specifically to ask me something, but you change and ask me something else.
Raymond,
No.
get over yourself.
No. You need to because all you call me and stalk me. Tell me the truth. Make up as I know. Just be honest.
Raymond Savage, me stalk you? Please. Whatever me call you over here, so for ask you, me ask you.
Oh, you think me don't know what I'm going? Alright then. All the left, right, stop, drive, stop, turn off light. How all of that come in?
Keep your mouth.
Me can't tell you.
Oh, you mean you can't tell me? Wait, oh, you mean you can't tell me? Angie, me ain't talk about that something you know. Me a big man, you know. Which part of me carry the truck? Just tell me. Just tell me now.
You really believe in me and stalk you? You really think me have time for that?
Oh, you mean I'll stop? Angie, let me tell you something. You think me no know? Alright, you don't stop me. But you call me a yard and I give me a story. And when me from the shout, all of a sudden, left, right, center, stop, go, church, road. I stop, you stop me.
Raymond, I can't tell you. You know, you should have glad to me call you and tell you. Say somebody a follow you.
Oh, you no say somebody did that follow me if you never follow me.
Raymond, me never had a follow.
I must smile there.
Bubbles, may I go for the shop go? Clean up the room.
But Tony, and me never tell you say me come help you clean up and something.
Yes, but you're busy. Bye.
So, you know what you need to do? Just tell me exactly what happened. Just explain it to me.
Me say me can't tell you. I feel something.
Aye. See there? You admit it.
Raymond,
You have feelings. Yes, man. Me know. But here what? You see, the next time you have feelings, just tell me straight. You understand? And by the way, don't hang up on me next time. Anyway. You can't trick me.